If you want to remove a payment method or card from your Steam account on a Windows PC, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. This is a quick and useful thing to know, especially if you no longer use an old card, want to keep your account details updated, or simply want to make sure your financial information does not accidentally appear while you are recording tutorials. Before we get started, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Steam app on your Windows PC and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once Steam loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile name. This will open a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From that menu, click on Account Details. This is where Steam keeps important information about your account, including your store history, wallet information, and save payment options. Once the Account Details page opens, scroll through the section called Store and Purchase History. In this area, you should be able to see your saved payment methods listed under the Wallet Balance section. Now find the credit card or payment method you want to remove. Next to it, you should see a Delete button. Click that Delete button to begin the removal process. Steam will usually ask you to confirm your choice in a pop-up window, so take a moment to double-check that you are removing the correct payment method before you continue. When the confirmation window appears, click to confirm the removal. Once you do that, Steam will remove the payment method from your account. After that, the card or payment option should no longer be saved for future purchases. And that's it. You've now successfully removed a payment method or card from your Steam account on Windows PC. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look, and it's a great habit to keep your account organized and your payment details under control. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.